Hello everybody. I wanted to do a quick video on showing you how to put this cute little purse together. I have a really special friend in mind that I'm going to give this to, and I'm going to fill it with a couple gift cards and some chocolates. So let's get started. What you're going to need is a piece of early espresso, and this is cut at 5 1/4 by 2 1/2, and I scored it on all four sides at 1/2 inch. What you're going to want to do is take your paper snips and snip up, and then take a little piece of the corner out on all four sides. You want to just make sure that you do it on this same exact side. It doesn't matter if you cut on this side or this side. You just want to do this same exact side, or the opposite side. Now what you're going to want to do is fold up on all of them, all the pieces. For this video, I'm actually just going to use some mini glue dots, but you can actually use some liquid glue or fast fuse or tear and tape, whichever is easiest for you. I'm just going to put glue dots on the inside of all four little pieces. And then most boxes you would put this on the inside, but on this one we're going to wrap it around the outside. And I'll show you why in a second. So you're going to wrap this around just like that, and now you're going to have the base of your purse. Then you're going to want to take some of your tear and tape, and you're just going to line some tear and tape along the outside all the way around. And the nice thing about the tear and tape is you don't need scissors to cut it. That's why it's called tear and tape. You literally just tear it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this off just like that. And then you're going to take a piece of your designer series paper. You can pretty much use whatever color you want. This is cut at 3 1/4 by 12. And you're going to start in the middle of your the bottom of your purse. So go ahead and line it up, and then you're just going to wrap this around, and then continue to wrap around. Like that. And then before we close this up, grab another piece of tear and tape, and you're just going to lay it along the edge of your designer series paper. You can go ahead and remove it. Maybe I can remove it. Here we go. Okay, so now you're just going to lay this piece down, and it's going to line up perfectly. So now you have your purse. And the reason why I put the tabs on the outside, so when you look inside the purse, you don't see the tabs on the inside of your purse. Now you're going to need 2 strips, and it is 3/8 by 6 inches, and this is going to be your handle. You're going to want to take a mini glue dot, put it on one edge, and then you're going to attach it to the side. And then you're going to grab another glue dot and put it on the back side. So grab another glue dot. And then you're going to flip this around, and you're going to attach it over here. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. This is going to be your purse handle. Just like that. So now you have your handles. Now what you're going to need are 2 strips, and this is a 1/2 inch by 12 inch. And I went ahead and put tear and tape all along both of them, just to kind of save time on the video. Now this one, I'm not going to take it all off at once, just because I find it a little bit easier to work with not such a long sticky strip. So now what you're going to want to do is take this and you're going to wrap it around the top. And you're going to pull this down as you're pulling it around. There we go. So the top is done. Now we're going to do the same thing for the bottom piece. So we're going to start on the back side. Just going to wrap this around. There we go. There's your purse. So to decorate it, I used the new leaf punch, and I went ahead and punched out 2 leaves already. And I'm just going to set them down and grab my multi-purpose glue. And all you're going to want to do is put a dab of glue on the stem of each of them. You don't need much. And then you're going to want to have a strip of, it's a 1/2 inch by 3 1/4. And I just went in with my paper snips and I trimmed to make the little banner on the edges. And I went ahead and pre-stamped it just to save some time for the video. I used the garden green, and then I used the Paisley's stamp sets. So now what you're going to want to do, and I went ahead and put 2 dimensionals on the back already. So we're going to take those stickies off, and this one we're going to just lay right underneath, kind of like that. And this one we're going to put on top, just like that. Now I'm going to lay this down because I want to show you how I did the little fringe on the bottom. I took the burlap ribbon and I just cut a strip of it, and then I pulled out 4 of the little strips. Just like that. And I went ahead and put a knot in the center, but I didn't pull the knot completely tight. I left a little bit of a loop in there, just like that. And then I used a mini glue dot. And I put the mini glue dot right in the middle. And then I laid the knot in the mini glue dots, just like that. And then you can put it on the front of your purse. And you can take your paper snips if you don't like how long they are and give them a little haircut if you want to, or you can leave them. Looks like I need to sharpen my scissors. There we go. Trim that one just a tiny bit. Okay, there you go. That is how easy it is to put your purse together. Now I have 2 of them to give away. Hope you've enjoyed this video. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.